we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Negom leaf blower cordless battery charger. Consists of the following features. Dual 4.0 amp-hour batteries plus charger for long-lasting endurance. This leaf blower comes with two 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries and a fast charger. This leaf blower battery allowing up to 26 minutes of continuous run time, 13 minutes per battery. Perfect for large yards, this cordless leaf blower handles full cleanup on a single charge. The efficient charging design quickly restores power, making your electric leaf blower always ready for action. This cordless leaf blower designed with a high-speed motor, this leaf blower delivers impressive performance with 450 cfm air volume and 120 mph air speed. It easily clears leaves, grass clippings, dust and debris from patios, driveways, garages, and workshops. Trust this leaf blower for quick and thorough cleaning. Lightweight and ergonomic for easy handling. Leaf blower cordless with battery and charger weighing only 2.2 pounds, this leaf blower is comfortable to hold and operate with one hand. Its ergonomic grip reduces arm strain, making it suitable for users of all ages. Compact and easy to store, this leaf blower is ideal for both home and outdoor use. Built-in safety protection for peace of mind. This electric leaf blower comes with a built-in temperature control protection device. For best performance, fully charge this leaf blower before first use. After use, allow the battery to cool for 5 minutes before recharging. The indicator light turns from red to green when fully charged. To extend battery life, recharge this leaf blower once a month. Your safety is our top priority. Versatile all-season outdoor tool. More than just a leaf blower, it's your year-round helper. Clear autumn leaves, spring grass, wash-to-dry vehicles, and clean gutters or dusty spaces. This leaf blower makes outdoor maintenance simpler and faster. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.